See here, una too hype this new Nigeria movie, Love in Every Word. Una too dey hype am. Like, this guy Uzor no really represent brotherhood well, not to talk of representing the Igbo people wey claim to represent. Like, una too dey hype the video. Oh yeah, let me briefly explain the movie. Make you see say e no really what the hype wey dey receive, especially from men. Like, even men follow women dey hype the movie. Uzor, known as Odogwu Obiora in this movie, is a successful Anambra businessman. He's 45 years old. Like, he's a billionaire. He owns a lot of investment in almost all the states in Nigeria, according to the movie. He owns some estates in Lagos, but he based in Anambra doing some of his business. While Chioma is a graduate and a working class lady. Chioma is also from Anambra, but based in Lagos. So it happens that Chioma's cousin will be having a marriage introduction in East, in Anambra State. So Chioma have to travel from Lagos to Anambra State for her cousin sister's marriage introduction. On getting to Anambra, that was where she met with Odogwu Obiora. So they both met each other in Anambra and have their first discussion. During the discussion, Odogwu told Chioma that, "You are going to be my wife. I'm going to marry you." Chioma took it as a joke because that was their first day of seeing each other. So after the long, fun night discussion between Odogwu and the Chioma later traveled to Lagos without giving Odogwu her number. So Odogwu, gathering some information from Chioma's mother, took his Ogene boys and traveled to Lagos just to collect Chioma's number. After collecting Chioma's number, Odogwu began to take Chioma on dates. He started gifting Chioma special gifts almost every day. Like, sometimes he even sent Chioma food in her working place, taking her to different eateries, making her feel loved. But in the other hand, Chioma was not reciprocating. Odogwu usually reminds Chioma that, "I'm going to marry you. You are going to be my wife." But Chioma never take him serious. At some point, Chioma began to ghost Odogwu, stop taking his calls, avoiding him in all rounds. At this point, Chioma's friends begin to question her. Like, "Why are you avoiding this innocent man? He's a good man. He's a good listener. Or is there anything that you are not telling us?" Chioma, after some minutes, replied her friends that her problem with Odogwu is his accent, the way he speaks, that he's too Igbotic. Her friends were like, "Chioma, are you normal? You see an intentional man, someone taking very good care of you, always showing up, and you are complaining about his accent." You know another thing about this movie, Chioma will ghost Odogwu for like 3 months. After the 3 months, Chioma will pick her phone and call Odogwu. This Odogwu will take the call and start praising this lady again. "Achalugo, Oyewema." Like, at some point, I started wondering if this man really have a good plan for this guy. Be one use and plus up, because this kind of love, I no believe say he gets any billionaire. We go sacrifice all his time, money, and everything for a single lady, and the lady will be turning her up. This is the crazy thing I don't like about this movie. Like, Chioma toyed with this man. He played with this man's emotion. Like, I was like shouting, "Give up, give up, give up." Now, so when I take the hype this movie, now make me go download them. Like, the movie not really worth the hype. Because I know see a reason, no Igbo man will be this patient. Like, Odogwu poured his heart, showed his intent, made his intention known. But this lady keep on beating around the bush, playing with Odogwu's heart. No Igbo man can tolerate this kind of thing. Nollywood, when I try the act reality something, acting is where it happen.